In this video, I'll talk about how you can fix the playback error on YouTube TV. Now, there are some steps that you can do to fix this, and the first one is you should Google if YouTube TV is down. If it is not down, I suggest you try and restart the app or the device that you're watching on, and if that still doesn't work, you should check your internet. So make sure you have internet, and if you have internet and it's not working, you can try and reset your internet. So find your router inside of your house and then unplug it and plug it back in after a few minutes, and then it will reset the internet. Now you can also try updating the YouTube TV app or the browser that you're using. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can try and update Google Chrome. And if that doesn't work, you should try and disable VPN or proxy settings. On your PC, you can just search for VPN settings, open it, disable, and the same for proxy. If you're on a TV or on your phone, you have to do that inside of the settings. Now the last step would be to uninstall the YouTube TV app and then reinstall it if you're watching from your phone or a smart TV. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.